Measures from Ramakrishna International. 7% yes, basically. Here basically the World Health Organization basically comes into the picture basically. In real basically each blood cells basically are connected with the World Health Organization, but that are basically offline. Offline means their data basically are passed long before basically to hospital basically. But Gaikwad data basically is live data basically. His blood basically are his data basically are checked live basically. So that basically is like this basically. So here one person asks the question basically, this 15 lakh liter basically which is produced, and there is no contribution of Sunil R. Nair. That is also basically designed in Gaikwad body basically. So 1% of the yes, this was also designed basically by the idea basically. So that is basically different thing basically. So here basically the Gaikwad also is involved in the future creation basically of Sunil R. Nair basically. That is zero contribution of Sunil R. Nair in universe and in earth planet. So again back to our topic basically, that is process basically which is happening in the land. 2000 crore process basically is happening in the land. Inside the land basically 2000 crore process basically is happening. So next week is